How to create a Gmail account without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create a Gmail account without a phone number. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. So if you want to create a Gmail account, just go ahead and go with the normal process of how you normally create a Gmail account. You can go to the sign up page and go ahead and create an account for yourself. So when you reach over to this page, go ahead and tap on this create account and select for your personal use or for your child or work or business. For example, for my personal use. After that, you need to go ahead and enter up your name. So you can go ahead and do that. And your surname as well. Just go ahead and do that. After that, tap on next. And then you need to select up your basic information by providing up your birth year. So just go ahead and do that. And after that, select up your gender as well and click on next. So the next thing you need to do is go ahead and pick up a Gmail address for yourself, or you can create your own as well. For now, I'm just doing this one for example only. After that, go ahead and tap on next. And then you need to go ahead and create up a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols. So you can go ahead and do that. And this part appears where you can add a recovery email. So you can go ahead and skip this part. And along with that, you may also get an option where you may need to add phone number. So you can just go ahead and skip that part as well. After that, just go on with the normal process by tapping on next and your account will be created. So that is how you create up your account without a phone number. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.